Breaking developments regarding this. Well, PTI supporters are still demanding better medical care for the leader ahead of the September march. PTI officials have raised concerns over Khan's health, calling for a thorough independent medical examination by his personal doctors and immediate family access. Despite a recent Supreme Court order directing his temporary transfer to a hospital for a medical checkup, party leaders emphasize that his health needs and remain their primary concern. Well, let me get in a word from my colleague Ajay on this. Ajay, we are also learning of the demand by the PTI supporters. They are stating that his health remains their priority. That is what they want first.
For last many months, and we can say that
for last many months, and we can say that years' time, what we have seen that PTI workers, family members of Imran Khan, they continuously raise this issue. They say that it is a planned conspiracy by the Pakistani government and the Pakistani army that they want Imran Khan to be, out of power. That's why he was defeated with the help of army. That's why he was, booked in the number of cases. And in a way, they have managed the cases that more than 50 cases was in which he was booked. In some of the cases he was released, some of the cases he was convicted, and that's why he's in the jail. And they say that after he was put into the under the custody, what was observed that his family members, his workers, they were not allowed. Why they were not allowed? Because Imran Khan was running PTI from the jail as well. We have seen that how protests were going on and how things were totally, disturbed in Pakistan because of the PTI workers. So that is the reason that he was not allowed. Even yesterday, when Supreme Court's order came and that government says that we are going to take him to the hospital, it was expected that this kind of a thing will happen. That government will take him to the hospital after checkup. He will be taken back to the jail, because they know that if Imran Khan will be allowed to speak to the workers, speak to the family members, then it will be troubling for the government, and that's why PTI workers say that our priority is his health. But yes, after this decision of the government that he is taken back to the jail, how they are going to react, whether they will once again launch a protest against Pakistani government and Pakistani forces, or they will continue with the struggle in a limited way what they are doing.
Right. Stay on with us, Ajay. In fact, let me also get in an entire observation from General Sudhakar. General, I want to understand from you, do you believe that this can lead to a massive security concern in Pakistan, right in the heart of Islamabad?
already happening, and this is further supported by the activities which are taking place in Pakistan occupied Jammu and Kashmir, Gilgit-Baltistan, and a lot of terrorist activities taking place in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa and Balochistan. Amidst all these activities, the Pakistani administration, when I say administration, I don't mean the civilian authority. They in any case have no local standi as on today in Pakistan. It is the military authority which is under acute pressure, and we are likely to witness a very serious kind of turn of events in and around Islamabad, and also don't be shocked and surprised if it gravitates towards Rawalpindi as well. And last but not the least is that as a geopolitical and defense analyst, my assessment indicates that sooner or later Imran Khan will be released from the jail. It may take some time, but for sure the momentum is building up. You can stop anything and everything, but you cannot stop the emotions and the connect of the workers who are actually flooding the streets now, and it will be very difficult for Pakistani administration, no matter how much of military force they apply, to stop them and deny them their fundamental rights of public, civilian, unarmed protest and agitation.
All right. Thank you so much, General, for your valuable perspective on this issue. We have some more breaking news coming in. Well, former Pakistan Prime Minister Imran Khan's health remains a key concern for his party ahead of its planned September march. PTI leader Uzma Niazi has said that an eye specialist, a cardiologist and a physician examined Khan at the Pakistan Institute of Medical Sciences or PIMS. Well, now it is also being reported that instead of taking Imran Khan to Shifa Hospital, authorities took him to PIMS due to security concerns. A high security operation unfolded overnight at Adiala jail. Islamabad police and elite squads moved in through gate number 5 to escort Imran Khan out for a hospital checkup. The entire exercise was carried out under total lockdown. No phones, no cameras, no public sightings allowed. Sources say not a single photo will emerge from last night. Well, let me go across to Ajay. Ajay, this was all done in secrecy. No phones, no photos, nothing has been documented. Why is so much secrecy around this?
It is only because they want, they did not want any trouble for the government, because they know that if PTI worker will come to know that Imran Khan is, moving to the hospital, there were already, hundreds and thousands of people, they started gathering over there, and visual says that they haven't allowed anyone to, click the pictures, but pictures of the cavalcade in which Imran Khan was moved from jail to hospital and hospital to jail, that is released. So it means that thousands of people they have reached, and government was expecting that if this information in advance if moves to the people, then it will be troubling. So that seems to be the reason that a high security zone was made, and there was no movement of vehicles in the on the road when Imran Khan was shifted to the hospital, and then he was taken back. At that time, even no one from other than the security forces were allowed to see him. So this is kind of a situation they have created.
Absolutely.
So that there is no issue as far as the law and order or any struggle for the authorities are concerned.
Absolutely. Thank you so much, Ajay, for tracking all those developments from Pakistan. With that, viewers, we are moving on to some stories coming in from Assam and Meghalaya. Well, tensions are escalating after